Enjoy the view of this 2020 Kia Soul. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this spacious and tech-rich Soul. Enter its iconic space and discover a roomy cabin that's ideal for moving people as well as cargo. Hatchback practicality makes your life easier, while a suite of safety and infotainment technology builds comfort and confidence into every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, power driver's seat, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC. Add a little soul to your life. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.